So I've got one other do-it-yourself, well, kind of do-it-yourself project. Me and my wife tried not using the water softener for a while and thought we'd see how we liked it. We kind of got tired of filling this thing full of salt every month, and my wife had read something that, I don't know, thought it may be better for your health not to have softened water. Anyways, where we live in Bountiful, Utah, it's not an option. We tried that for a couple of weeks, and the water is so hard. The showers were miserable. Dishwasher, the dishes didn't get cleaned. It creates rings in the toilet, and so we decided to go back to it. But once I refired up the system, I had some leaks. First of all, these valves, the bypass valves that hadn't been used in a while, started to kind of drip a little bit. That finally went away. Also in the back here, apparently this is a local brand, or at least the name is taken from local. Where it's manufactured, I'm not sure, but here in Utah, this specific brand, and they're still in existence down off 21st South and about 3rd West. Very nice people. Anyways, so I went down there and I said, I have this unit. Do you think I can fix it myself? And they said, well, back here, there's this triangle plate. It started to leak out of the center of that a little bit. Nothing serious, but it was kind of leaking, and it was kind of hard to tell where the leak was coming from. So I called the guy, and he says, well, come on down here. There's a gasket under here that I think you can easily replace yourself. So let's try that first, and if not, take this whole head unit off, bring it down, and I can repair it for you. Very nice guy. Anyways, he gave me that gasket for free, maybe because I actually forgot my wallet. I left my wallet on the kitchen table. Anyways, so I got down there, replaced that, and for a couple of days it was kind of sweating, and now even a little bit of water down here. Something is sweating a little bit, but it's evaporating as fast as it sweats, so there's nothing on the floor. And so I'm not concerned. So I replaced that myself. Very easy. Let's see if you can get the phone number if you've got this unit in Utah. I found nothing on the internet showing how to fix these, so maybe I'm the first. So in case you, there's the phone number in case you have this unit in your house. And then this hadn't been used for, I don't know, a month or 3 weeks, and there was some pretty gross water down there. I was stupid enough, it started to smell a little bit, and there was no salt. I went ahead and filled it up with salt. When I say filled it up, 3 or 4 bags, about halfway full. And I figured that would kill any bacteria might be in that water. Apparently that water down there is only used to flush this out and get the resin beads clean. So that water is not getting into our drinking water, but it was kind of gross. But now if I were to do it again, I would have dumped that out, cleaned it one more time, and before I put fresh salt in, because it was kind of nasty. But I think I will wait till this runs out of salt, then dump the water out and clean it one more time. And the guy said that you can also give the insides of here a cleaning thing that I won't pull out now. But yeah, pretty no-brainer. But now we're back in soft water. It is so much better. The dishes are getting clean. Showers feel better. Get more suds when I'm lathering up in the shower. And so, another victory for do-it-yourself. I have a Sears home warranty, and I was tempted to use that, but that's a minimum charge of $99, and I fixed it for free, so I saved that. If I wasn't able to fix it, I was going to call them. But anyway, so that's another do-it-yourself victory. Thank you very much.